Ano po guys, prepare po tayo ng ating partner ng ating lechon belly for dinner. So, sabi ni Daddy Ga, he wants the vegetables for his to go with his lechon belly. So, buhi pa. So, mag-roast pa ako ng vegetables, guys. Yan. So, meron tayong roast veggies with our lechon belly for tonight. So, ito po yun, guys. Should I put it after I, prepare it? Or what time do you want me to put it?
Maybe it takes 45 minutes.
45 minutes. So
200.
yes.
The oil, so you can oil it.
Yeah, but after what time do you want me to put it in the oven?
Maybe 5:15.
5:45?
Depends how long this belly's going to take to cook.
Oh yeah, that's why you have to tell me. Okay?
Okay.
Guys. So ito po guys, pakita natin ulit. Meron tayong carrots, potato at saka pumpkin or squash. So yan po ang aming dinner for tonight. Bye guys! Hi guys! Ready na po ni Daddy ang ating lechon belly. Is it dry?
A bit of paper. Okay.
Not bad. Yan po ang ating napa-overnight na lechon belly. 1.2 kilos. Let's see. Are you gonna put oil in it and then...
Not until it starts to burn. Maybe after 1 hour. Just salt it now.
Okay, lagay na natin sa
Nickel spikes. The rotisserie.
Oopsie.
Better you get it now, the easier it spins if it's centered.
Ayan po guys. Lapit na po siyang ready. Lagyan na po ng salt ni Daddy. Salt. Oh, helper. Are you helping Daddy, baby?
I'm watching the fire for me.
Good helper man ito, oh.
Putting charcoal on.
Yeah, well, very good man, baby. What do you want to cook, eh?
I should be a Pinoy chef.
Yeah, you're helping Daddy. Good job.
Phil Oz restaurant.
Phil Oz restaurant in the Philippines. Oh, you're heavy.
Okay.
Peter, carry here. Daddy, and carry. This end. This one. Peter. No?
Keep on the fire.
Come on. Daddy will put in the fire. The charcoal. And po ang aming charcoal. Do you have to spread the charcoal, Daddy?
Yeah, I think we just have it going. Just want to get a little bit of a base going and then dry out the skin as well. Okay, it's a bit windy here. Peter's putting more charcoal on than I need.
Peter.
He's adding more charcoal.
Yan po, nag-start na po ang ating
Times. So 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So, let's see mamaya guys kung magiging crispy ba ang ating lechon belly.
Small one.
Bye! Hello guys! So ito po guys, nagluluto na po tayo ng ating side dish. Sabi ni Daddy, this is the first time guys na nagluto ako nito at saka first time kong nalaman na ito pala ay pwedeng maging side dish sa lechon belly. No, so yan po ang ating sibuyas at saka ito pa yung ibang ingredients. Meron tayong capsicum, mushroom, at saka itong ating sili. So, masarap do ito guys na side dish para sa ating lechon belly. Kung sa atin pa sa Pilipinas, ang ating side dish ay yung atsara, sa kanila dito ay ito. So, sibuyas, lagyan natin ng sili ng mamaya konti pag nag-brownish na itong ating sibuyas. At saka yung capsicum, at saka yung mushroom. Ngayon ko lang ito nalaman guys. So, discovery. Tsaka nagluto din ako guys para ulam ko bukas. Para hindi na ako magluto kasi malapit na masira yung talong. Kaya niluto ko na tonight. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Basta yan, utan yan. See ya po guys. Maraming salamat po. Hi guys! So ito po guys, 90% na po ni Daddy ang
Lechon belly,
lechon
crispy skin.
belly.
Getting better.
Getting better na po ang kaniyang crispy skin. So this is our dinner for tonight. Lechon belly and roast veggies
Chili onions.
with chili onions pala. Yung niluto ko kanina. Yan. Crispy. We can sell na lechon belly.
I'm trying the skin. I don't normally eat the skin, but I have to try.
What? Crunchy?
Gotcha. Only oiled the skin once.
Very tender yung ano niya. Sarap. Yummy.
The meat shrinks so much.
Huh?
Nearly half the size after it's cooked.
After that. Malutong. Tsaka very tender yung meat. Yan, pagwas ang aming lechon belly. Kain po tayo. Thank you for watching guys. Bye!